Dangdong Jinan Textile Mill, established in 2001, is a manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of viscose fiber bath gloves, bamboo fiber, and plant fiber dish towels, bath glove and dish towel grease cloth, and other household cleaning items. We are located in Dangdong City with convenient transportation access, as we are near to Dalian Port and Shenyang Airport. Dedicated to quality control and customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of equipment, including weaving looms and 2-for-1 twister. At present, we have our own equipment of weaving, cutting, and sewing bath glove and dish towel. In addition, we're selling in all cities and provinces around China, and also our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, Europe, Australia, Mideast, Southeast Asia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders because we have research and developing working staff to design the bath glove, dish cleaning cloths, and other household cleaning items according to your need. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Sincerely looking forward to cooperating with you, and welcome to visit our company.